We guide you through how to change Hotspot name on your Android phone quickly and easily. So, first thing you need to do is to open your phone's settings, tap network and internet or connections depending on your device, then select hotspot and tethering or mobile hotspot. Tap on mobile hotspot settings, look for hotspot name or network name, and tap it to edit. Enter the new name you want for your hotspot, then tap Save or OK to apply the changes. After saving, turn the hotspot off and back on to make sure the new name updates properly. Other devices will now see the new hotspot name when connecting. If you don't see the option right away, tap Advanced Settings inside the hotspot menu since some Android versions hide it there. So, that's it. Your Android hotspot name is now updated and ready to use.